Here, Amy, this is for you from Grandma Margie.
For unto us a child is born. Where's mine, Mom?
Coming.
Unto us a son is given. Why is it not saying the government will be upon his shoulders?
I knew you were going to ask that. Probably because it didn't fit. What does it make a shape?
It makes a tree.
Well, how cool is that?
Very cool.
Maybe the rest wouldn't fit on the tree, honey. Let's see it. Hold it up for the picture.
They could have just made a bigger tree.
Oh, isn't that cute?
Cute.
Amy, it's beautiful.
Beautiful.
Tell Grandma your verse.
For unto us a child is born, for unto us a son is given, and the government will be upon his shoulders.
Yay! Okay, Jessa, your turn.
Hers is pink.
Pink.
Pinky pink. Jessa.
What do you got?
It's a shirt, I think. What is it? Oh, what does it say, Jessa? I
Cute.
don't know. What does it say?
Oh,
It's
beautiful.
Away
See?
in...
Yeah. Away in the manger. That's your
Favorite song.
favorite. Is that beautiful?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's beautiful.
Will you sing the song for Grandma?
Although it was difficult, because I don't know. Unto us son is given. I like the inside of this.
Okay, sing the song for Grandma. Jessa, sing the song.
No, not yet until I turn the page. The page and the page and the page.
That's the last one.
Okay, now sing.
This is yellow.
Can you sing?
Away in a manger, no Christmas bell. The little Lord Jesus laid down his sweet head. The stars in the sky looked down where he lay. The little Lord Jesus asleep on the hay.
Jessa, do you want to sing it by yourself?
Yeah.
Okay, Amy, just Jessa this time.
Down where he lay. Away to Lord Jesus, sleep on the hay.
Yay! Okay.
Baby Jesus anywhere.
I don't know. Bubby, it's your turn.
Bubby, your turn.
Bubby.
Okay, Bubby.
Oh, what has he got? What has he got?
Oh, what is it?
What is it?
What is it?
What is it, Bubby?
Huh?
What is it?
Oh. Oh.
Thank you, Daddy.
Here we go. Wow!
Oh, cool. Yay!
Little tie. Oh, cute.
What's on the tie?
It's in the way in the manger.
And Mary.
Bobby.
Are you coming up to say
big
thank you,
hugs.
Grandma? Oh, you can give
Mommy.
Mommy hugs.
Is that all that was in there?
Here you go, Bubby.
Is that all that was?
Cute shirt.
Cute.
Grandma, we love it. Thank you.
Mommy, what's in here?
Oh, he's mad I picked him up.
Mommy, what's in here?